Hi, this is Lata. Today I would like to share few tips on learning English in a very fast and easy manner. And it's a very good weather out here. I'll just turn my phone here. It's raining in Chennai and it's a beautiful sight. The wind is blowing and I think this is apt for my speech too. So we already have enough videos out there on the tips to learn English in a very fast manner. But here I would like to share my experience, my research with my students for nearly 15 years, and which I've found very effective for them. And so I'm going to share 4 tips for you. And the first and foremost is please start talking in the 12 tenses. English language has 12 tenses, and please start talking simple sentences in all the 12 tenses. For example, I eat, I sleep, I ate, I slept, and it goes on like that. And then you can go to the next level of your daily activities. You can start speaking your daily activities in all tenses, and then you can go on to the next level of weekend activities and so on like that. And for the very basic level people, I would suggest that you can pick up 10 nouns and 10 verbs which you use every day. For example, take bath, brush, table, like that, and then you can start speaking. So the first tip is start speaking in all the 12 tenses in a very, very important, in a very simple sentence. Again, don't try to frame a very long sentence initially. When you start speaking in all the 12 tenses, you really start speaking that language with confidence, and you feel so happy about it. The second important thing is reading. Soak your brain in reading, and I would suggest that you need to read very loudly. People ask me very loudly or very softly within your mind. No, the student who wants to learn the language need to read loudly, because one important thing is you get the oral practice. You won't get stuck when you speak. You get good practice orally, and you get the flow. And there are lots of other benefits like vocabulary, voice and accent, framing of sentences, grammar, GK, etc., etc. Goes on like that. Reading has lots and lots of benefits. The third tip is listening. Soak your ears in neutral accent. Now, what is neutral accent? English is a foreign language. It's not our mother tongue. So we're not supposed to mix up our mother tongue and speak that language. It doesn't sound good. So soak your ears. Every day you can listen. I'm going to share a link in this video. You can give a try for it. It's not a very tough accent, and it goes very slowly. You can put on your earphones and listen to it. And fourth important thing is, last but the least, speak with mistakes. Anything you learn starts with mistakes. Like a baby starts to walk by falling, and you learn cycling by falling. So you can be within 4 walls. Maybe you can have a mirror in front of you, and you can speak whatever nonsense you want. You can just imagine your friend, your sister, brother, your siblings, your parents, or boss, or colleagues, or whoever maybe. You can just talk. Every day you need to talk. And all these 4 tips together should take only, I would suggest, 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. So to sum up, once you're ready with the tenses, never ever miss these pills in your daily schedule. Do you ever miss brushing? I'm sure you will never miss brushing your teeth. So in the same way, take these three pills. That is, first is reading, second is listening, and third is speaking with mistakes. Maybe you can just skip one day, but the next day you should start on with the pills. And you can take my words, you can trust me. This is the experience, this is the research I've been doing with my students, and I've really found it fruitful. And from what comments I've got from them, the result which I was seeing as a trainer. So try these. It's not very tough, provided you just do it for minimum 15 to maximum 20 minutes. Enjoy doing it, enjoy practicing it, and we'll have lot more sessions, lot more tips, lot more sessions on English language, and we are going to enjoy the sessions. And till then, take care. Bye.